Subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon for all the latest news and updates. Hello, you have logged into One India News YouTube channel and this is Mariam. West Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee has clarified that immersion of Durga idols on Dashmi will be halted only for 24 hours. This year, Durga Puja and Muharram fall on the same day. Mamata Banerjee tweeted, "Except for 24-hour period on Muharram day, immersions can take place on October 2nd, 3rd and 4th. The decision was taken after Mamata Banerjee met Puja and Muharram committees of the state. The West Bengal Chief Minister had issued an order against the immersion of Durga idols on Dashmi during the procession of Muharram, which will be observed on October 1st. Banerjee had said in an official statement that no idol immersion after 6 p.m. on Dashmi, that is September 30th, till October 1st will take place due to Muharram processions. Immersions will resume from October 2nd. The Chief Minister had also issued a similar order last year. However, it was stayed by the Calcutta High Court. The directive, however, did not go down well with the Bharatiya Janata Party, who accused Banerjee of doing vote bank politics and sidelining the High Court's order. BJP leader Sambit Patra has said that Mamata Banerjee only cares about politics of appeasement. In the year 2016, she put a similar restriction on the immersion of Durga idol, which was reprimanded by the Calcutta High Court. Sambit Patra said the High Court had said that this is nothing but appeasement politics and gave instructions to Mamata to not do this again. However, this year again, Mamata Banerjee is doing vote bank politics and sidelining the High Court's order. This is not right. That's all for now. For more news and updates, please subscribe to One India News YouTube channel.